Hello everybody, I want to go over a strategy with you today on how to get your brand out there, your messaging out there to build top of the mind awareness, and it's very economical to do it. But typically our strategy in the beginning is we like to target those who are problem aware first. So if you want to target those who are problem aware, what you might want to do is, I'll give you an example. In the good old days, let's say it's 30 years ago, if you have leaky roof, what do? Right? If you want to find a roofer, a roofing contractor 30 years ago, that says 1990, what you might do is you go find that print yellow pages, right? You flip through the yellow pages, go to R, and then you'll see a bunch of ads on there, and you will start calling one by one. And you were a price shopper back then, right? You were a price shopper because all the ads are on there, and it's hard for you to know how they're different. So you might choose a few, maybe the larger ads, and then start calling them, right? And get multiple estimates. But present day, not too many of you will go on, right? Go flip through the yellow pages. Presently, what you might do, and most right homeowners, they will go on a Google search. Most likely with this tiny little mobile device, they might type in roofers near me. So search is a very good strategy to get to go after those who are already problem aware. But there's only so many people at any given time, right, that are looking for your services, that are problem aware. So you'll always exhaust that, right? Typically, a client with us that's been with us a couple of years already, we already helped them dominate search, Google Ads, local search, organic, right, on Google and Bing and Yahoo. But then that means you plateaued already, right? Even if we continue to optimize that, the amount of leads you'll be getting from there will start to go less and less, right? You already got a good base on leads coming from search. Those are targeting those who are problem aware. But then you got to start build awareness to move those who aren't problem aware yet into awareness state, right? And there's a lot of things you can do with that. You can do in the good old days, right? Not good old days, but even presently, offline marketing such as billboards, TV, radio, billboards, all those are to brand yourself, and we call that intent-based branding. Not only are you just slapping a billboard, there's intention behind that billboard is to down the line when they need your services, the first thing they thought of is you, right? So from my point of view, we love to target those who are problem aware, but you will always plateau. There's only so many people at any given time that are problem aware. Then you'll exhaust that. So you always got to be building top of the mind awareness. And digitally, there's many strategies to do that. There's social media, there's Google Display Network, banner ads, and a very good strategy, which I want to go over with you today, is, not a surprise, will be YouTube. YouTube ads. So YouTube ads, surprisingly, right?
Hi, we're OfferPad.
Every time you watch a YouTube ad, right? If you're not a premium subscriber to YouTube, most people aren't, that first initial 5 seconds of video, for that advertiser, it's free. It's free, right? Anytime if I see this ad, I hit skip, it didn't cost OfferPad anything for that view. And you can see they're very smart in that first, right, 5 seconds, they're just really branding OfferPad. I have no idea who they are, right? But this is free. So, and to the point.
And we'd like to buy your home. Just go to OfferPad.com, tell us about your home, and we'll send you a competitive offer with offering day, and we'll even move you local.
If I continue watching the video, and if I didn't watch more than half of a video, the advertiser still didn't get charged. So YouTube ads is a very good strategy to get your name out there. So what this means is that first 5 seconds is a great way to brand your business, right? If you're a local funeral home or a local window door company, for example, you're branding yourself. That first 5 seconds it's free. To the point, if you didn't watch more than half the video, it's still free for you. That's, right, amazing way to get your name out there, right? Then, ideally you want them to watch more than half the video. That's when you get charged. Okay, and that cost per view is very, very economical. Typically it's like 10 cents per view. So if your intention is to get your name out there, build top of the mind awareness, and YouTube ads really is a very, very economical way to do it. Most people thought, hey, it's only large companies can afford YouTube ads. That's not true, right? It's one of those secret weapons out there. Not too many people know. Everybody thought it's super expensive. It's not. It's super economical to do. And it's literally free, right? Just a way to get your name out there. And of course, you want them to ideally click on an ad and go over to your website. But just the cost per view is so economical. At the same time, just like other types of advertisement, you can put a very, very narrow demographics and geography as well. So kind of think about, right, how can you leverage YouTube ads? A lot of people do go on YouTube ads, right? And you can also do that as a retargeting ad. Anybody who went on your website, subsequently went on YouTube, they also see your ad as well. Okay, so this is a great weapon if you want to build top of the mind awareness and bring those who aren't aware of your brand or your service yet into the awareness state.